How old is your dog in human years? Hey guys, Doc Ara here. And alam ko meron tayong thinking na kapag 1-year-old na ang dog natin, equivalent ito into 7 years ng human age, which is not the case. So actually, ang age nila, it depends on the size ng breed ng aso. So smaller dogs tend to live longer than larger dog breeds. Pero mas mabilis mag-mature si smaller dog breed compared kay larger dog breed. Sa first few years nila, at the age of 1 year hanggang 5 years, same yung mga dog breeds natin or sizes ng age in human years. So, kapag 1-year-old na si dog, equivalent ito into 15 years of age ng humans. Kapit nila ng 6 years old, dito na nagkakaiba. Na small breed dog, equivalent ito into 40 years old na human years. Sa medium-sized dog naman, equivalent ang 6 years of age into 42 years of human years. Tapos sa large breed dogs naman, kapag sumapit ang 6 years old, equivalent ito to 45 years of human years. Again, yung keynote dito, the larger the dog breed, mas mabilis itong umidad compared sa small dog breed. Yung mga tiny and toy breeds, hindi sila magiging considered as senior not unless na-hit nila yung 10 years of age. And with that, if you have other concerns regarding your dog's age or health, don't forget to consult your veterinarian.